What up, guys?
I'm Cheesy.
And me, J. Michelle.
And
And we're gonna do the baby food challenge.
yeah. And some of it's disgusting, just so you know. We never tried it
And
But-
we're gonna see who eats it.
faster or finishes it at least
Mm-hmm.
without throwing up or without going ugh.
Well, we're gonna start with this one. And I think it's a gross one.
Yeah, let's not. Okay. This one's the one that made me throw up last time. Dude. I'm not even kidding.
Ew. Smells like fucking dog food.
What kind of baby?
What the fuck?
Let's see who finishes first.
What the fuck? I'm not gonna give this to my child.
Sí, dice, nigga.
Pinche sugar, you need sugar, nigga.
I feel like I'm about to gag.
This is gross.
Just kidding. This girl's nasty, nigga. I don't want to finish it. My ear.
This is gross, man. Up, nigga.
Damn!
Need to win.
I don't want this one. You can win.
Fucking nasty. I fucking win, nigga.
Shut up. I didn't do anything.
What did you fucking no? You pinche tramposo.
I didn't do anything.
Oh, you better don't do anything. Hurry up, nigga. Okay, you lose.
Why?
Because I finished it first.
So you telling me I ate all this shit for nothing?
Yeah. And you keep putting it in it. Pendeja. Okay, the second one is Best Buy, July 2015. Oh shit. Nigga, wait! No, that's not fair. Fucking Larissa.
I thought I was gonna throw him because you fucking asshole.
Look at Larissa.
This one's good.
I know, fucking pinche tramposa. Look at me. That was like. I'm gonna keep on eating it. It's
Gonna
good.
start another one?
No.
Okay.
Wait, nigga. Okay, that's not it.
No, you have to finish that.
What?
I finished the other one.
Okay. Hey. Oh. Una paleta. Uf, fucking mosquito.
Mom. Hello. Señora.
Vale, nena, pero ¿por qué no contesta el teléfono?
Pero mira, mami, ¿por qué no contesta el teléfono? Pero no te enfogonas si no te contesto. Oh, she don't have, I don't know what's it.
Mira. Okay, the last.
I think this was squash. What the fuck is squash? I never tasted
What
squash.
the fuck?
I never tasted squash.
What about this one?
That's the last one.
You still have one over there?
Yeah, no. How many do we bought?
I thought this was the last one.
No, we have another one.
Well, what's with the cheddar? Is this one?
Oh, nigga. It's these.
It's this. The camera girl didn't shower. That's why it stinks.
You're nasty. Excuse you, for real. Nasty.
You can open these things. You look at this guy like praying, nigga.
Jesus help me. I told you, nigga.
Who makes the baby food, nigga? I'm gonna do
They should go to
shit.
jail. They should go
Shit.
to jail. They should go to prison for life.
No.
Do this.
What's the nigga doing?
I don't know, nigga.
What are you laughing about, nigga?
I'm leading. It's fucking gross. That's why I'm laughing. Done, nigga. You fucking lying. Done. Ew, that's nasty.
I know, right? I'm done. I won. Again. Don't you vomit? No, you can't drink up there. No, nigga. You can't. You can't. Last one.
How the fuck do you open this one? What the fuck?
What is this? Oops, good. That's my cuchara también. What is this? Oh,
It's
no,
like
I know.
banana.
But it's so fucking good. Nigga,
I'm done.
you have a little bit
No,
more.
bitch, fuck you, man. What the fuck? I'm still done.
That's fucking baby food. we eat like babies now. Well, at least I do. And well, niggas,
Really?
that was.
You fucking cheater? You throwing it on the fucking
I threw up,
No, you
nigga.
didn't. No,
I
you
threw
didn't.
up.
No, you didn't.
What the fuck? What is that, nigga?
What's
What is
that?
that? You fucking cheater
No,
too.
you cheated.
No,
Fucking
you
cheated.
No, you no.
Yours is worse.
Look at yours.
Yours is worse, sir. Look at all that.
No, look at this. Nigga, no, you fucking cheater.
You cheated.
Now let's pull that a tie.
It's
That's
a tie
a tie.
since we both cheated.
Yeah.
She cheated first.
She cheated. I'm gonna check the fucking video, nigga.
Maybe you cheated first without
No,
me knowing
maybe
that
you
yet.
cheated first. Well,
She
that's
cheated
all for today. Hope you like it and share it.
Thanks for watching.
And sorry about my looks right now.
We're sweating like fucking pigs.
But it's so fucking hot, and we walk all the way like fucking 2 fucking miles, but we didn't know a shortcut because of this motherfucker over here. But yeah,
Okay,
that's
well.
everything.
Subscribe and let us know how we did, and let us know more about more challenges. Give us ideas.
And subscribe, like it, and share it. This is G's and James Show. We'll see you next time.
Yeah.